Hey guys, Grant here with another video. I'm gonna be doing a ballistics gel test. Well, ballistics gel. But this ballistics gel, I screwed up on my first one, so I had to remake it, and it came out smaller. So we're gonna try. I've got my Savage 22 LR Mark II. And the bullets we'll be using are this is a Federal bullet. These run about $24 per 50 rounds. This is a 22 subsonic made by Remington. And the thing is about these, you can twist the bullets, and when you shoot these, it has unburnt gunpowder, so it makes your barrel, I guess, dirty, I want to say. But once you fire it, it has like black soot on the bullet casing or shell. So we'll be testing that, and if we can't do that, I'm just gonna set it up, the ballistics gel, and we'll see if it'll do like that. Alright guys, I'll be backing up and I'll be shooting at the ballistics gel. One thing I did forget, these 22 subsonics run about $5.99, like 50 rounds, yeah. And these, they're hollow point, so I mean, it's a good buy. I don't think they're that accurate because you can twist the bullet head, like it goes around. But I'll be backing up and we'll shoot at this, so yeah, let's do it. The first bullet will be the Federal one. Alright, I don't know if I even got it. Yeah, I didn't even shoot. So I'm gonna set this up. Kind of bad. I'm gonna remake it. I got another Federal, so we'll do that. Alright, so this one's the Federal one, and I put the ballistics gel or gelatin up because it's too small. So here goes the Federal. Definitely went through. I even hit it. I hit it. I mean, it went through, obviously. There's the entry hole right above my thumb. I'll put for the 22 subsonic. I'm gonna do it. Okay, like that. And we'll do the subsonic. And that sounds like it went through. Yeah, I definitely went through that one. Split it. It made a bigger hole than the Federal, obviously, because it's a hollow point. But that one right there is the subsonic. So basically done with those. How I was talking about the subsonics, they have black soot. When you fire it and there's unburnt gunpowder. So, I mean, you'll get your gun dirty really fast. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. I'll be doing another video in a couple days.